Dito na kami sa may Oakland. Pupunta kami ng Famous Eddie. Kakain kami. Let's go. Lunch. Let's go.
Ang dami ko ka.
Dito na kami.
Wow! Mga isang ano. Thanks!
Hey. Ah.
Okay, we're going to Pinnacle Tower. Vlogger. Vlogger. Ayan na. Hi, Jaren. Yes. Woo! And this is Alvin. Yun. Busy kumain.
Tumakbo pa si baby dito.
Ang ganda. Oo. The view.
Yo, what's up, buddy? Ito na kami sa hotel. We're here at Cordy's Hotel. So, ito ang view namin.
Dad, can I just swim?
Later, kayo. Sino na kayo?
Sagu.
Hotel na po kami. Sila Sarah nagpunta sa CBD, nag-shopping. Kami ni Dion dito bahay, ano lang, hotel lang. Bantay ko lang siya. No, buddy? Right? May kalaro ka na naman, Dion, ha? Ay, si Daniel Padilla. Ayan, ha? May bagong character sa vlog ko, eh. Hindi ko ito papakilala. May bagong character.
Wala ako makikilala.
Ah!
Yep. Be careful. Be careful. Watch your step.
Jasmine, just take it slow.
1 hour is so long. Yay.
Let's go.
Are you?
No.
Oh.
Yes.
Or more than that?
2 hours.
Swimming pool left side.
8 hours. Oh, 1,000 hours. Wait. Look, I can look. You know, look, I can look in it. I don't know if this can handle it.
Wait, guys, that's not for the kids. Dito lang ako. Kuya Koy lang. Kuha tayo pang swimming pa. Swimming tayo. Let's go. Pa. Natin, pupunta tayo sa swimming pool. Yan, sa Chuan. Yan. Let's go.
I'll teach Jasmine. I will teach you. I will teach you.
Look up the sky. Okay. All right. Okay, that's okay.
Guys!
Right, success. Tawag.